the afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over. I'm hanging on, yes, I'm staying home. I need so much ground just to keep from floating. My love is roaring that heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes sober. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes sober.
Make me feel like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone. You're so beautiful, it's so personal. And while you play these games, I question my faith first of all. You'll never know what I really feel when I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call. Tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it all. Take a part of me that doesn't show. Hide it in the dark until it's gone, gone, gone. You're so beautiful, you'll never know how I can make you feel when you have got someone to hold. So personal, wish I was near you now, but I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone. Yesterday I fell asleep at night. I woke up in a spaceship traveling at the speed of light. Everything feels so misplaced. The sky is at my feet and the ground above my head. I'm landing on a star with little flying cars, but I feel like I already know this place. It was the first time our eyes collided. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. I wish that I could see her face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. She showed me how to talk without words. Spread my arms, close my eyes, and take off like a bird. And I'm landing on a star with a little flying cars, but I feel like I already know this place. It was the last time our eyes collided. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. Everything feels so right. The trees grow backwards and the rain falls upside down. I hate to see her cry, but I have to say goodbye. And maybe you come visit me